Well, for the first time since Kingfisher Airlines was grounded, the management has offered to pay 3 months' salary to staff, but employees have said they won't settle for anything lesser than 4 months of pay. Some of these employees even claim that this perhaps is an attempt by Kingfisher to save Vijay Mallya some embarrassment ahead of the F1 race. Meanwhile, the government has washed its hands off the matter.
So it's not a happy story all around for the Kingfisher, is it?
It's not been a happy story for quite some time. But in this free enterprise system, government or civil aviation ministry has certain responsibilities. That is that passenger safety should not be jeopardized, number one. Second thing, that the schedule they give, they should be able to maintain. But of course, there are provisions there that if they cannot, suppose there is a legitimate strike, they have to inform the passengers beforehand. And of course, in today's situation in Kingfisher, it's not just the salary thing. Salary they were not paid for last 7 months. But now, as you said, they were hopeful earlier. Now they're disgruntled. So that becomes a safety issue. So let's see. I mean, I would say that it seems very difficult, but not impossible that Kingfisher will fly again.
Aishwarya is joining us on the phone line for more details. Aishwarya, we understand we're waiting to hear from the Kingfisher employees whether in totality the engineers and pilots will totally reject this or not. For now, the Civil Aviation Minister, you spoke to him this morning saying the government can't interfere at any stage now. Aishwarya, if you can hear me, you spoke to the Civil Aviation Minister who ruled out that the government cannot interfere at any cost.
Well, that's absolutely correct, because the Civil Aviation Minister Chaudhry Ajit Singh made it very clear that Kingfisher being a private airline, Government of India has its limitations. What also Ajit Singh made clear was that Kingfisher would need a complete, foolproof revival plan if it wants to fly back again. Yes, because he said that there were certain talks which were happening between international investors and Kingfisher management, but till now there is nothing concrete which has basically come out of it. So very clearly indicating that basically everything is not right for Kingfisher, and also indicating that because the manner in which all of these things have been happening, employees of Kingfisher are basically not paid for last 7 months. This has made them disgruntled, and now it has raised questions on the whole safety of Kingfisher. That's why their whole license has been reviewed. And if they would like to fly back again, they would have to give a full-proof financial backing plan to the DGCA, and as well as the ministry and all the other concerned agencies, as well as the minister made it clear that this time around no loose ends would be left out. But at the end of the day, 7 months down the line, the Kingfisher employees have not been paid. The ministry making it clear that there is a fine line to which they can act, and they can't, because Kingfisher being a private airline, Government of India has its limitations.
Thanks for joining us with those details.